Hello everyone, let's continue the story of village Palanpur. So, in previous class we already learned about how land and labor both are important and crucial for production. But today we are going to discuss about the how capital is important for production. So, in previous class we see the distribution of land among the farmer, the people of Palanpur. 240 families they have the small plot of land and 60 families have the large plot of land. So, they are the small farmer and they are the medium either large farmer. So, how they require the capital, either maintain the either arrange the capital for production. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the capital needed in farming. So there is a small farmer, there is a large farmers. So let's discuss about the small farmer, how they arrange the capital for production. Generally, small farmers have less size, less number of land. That means land size is very small and they have no working capital. They need the working capital for buying the seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, either water, either repairing the tools. So they require the working capital, but small farmer have no working capital. So they are mainly taken money, either borrowed money from the village landlord, village money lender, either trader of the village. But they charges the high rate of interest. So small farmer are feel distress and they are unable to repay the loan. So they fall into a debt trap. So next, I telling you a story of Sabita. Sabita is a small farmer. She have only 1 hectare of land. Sabita think this year she want to grow the wheat in her small land. But Sabita have no working capital. So how is it possible to grow the crop? So Sabita think she taken loan from the village landlord who is Tejpal Singh. Sabita required the working capital for buying the seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, either purchasing the water and repairing the tools. Sabita required the working capital. She needs the 3,000 rupees. So she demand for loan to the Tejpal Singh. Tejpal Singh agreed to give loan to her. But Tejpal Singh charges high rate of interest on it. But Sabita agreed to pay the high charges of interest. And also at that time Sabita promised to Tejpal Singh also she going to work in Tejpal Singh land as a farm laborer after completing her harvesting in her field. First Sabita completing the harvesting in her field, then Sabita went to as a farm laborer to the field of Tejpal Singh. But there is no way to getting the loan. Sabita know that no one agreed to give loan to her. That's why she agreed in that condition and promised to Tejpal Singh. And Sabita have 3 children. So maintain their child as a mother is very difficult. Work in her field, work in Tejpal Singh's field, and maintain her child is an opportunity. It's very difficult for Sabita, but there is no way. So Sabita tried to improve her condition by doing the farming and growing the wheat in her small plot of land and want to earn more. But this story telling you what problem are faced by the small farmer. They have no working capital for doing the farming. So they always depends on the others for the working capital, and they charges the high rate of interest, and it is unable, and they are also unable to repay the loan to them. So next further move. So how large farmer are arrange the capital? But it easy for the large farmers. They have the saving amount. They have own saving amount, money, because their land size is kafil. Then land size is so large, the production is high, so they sell the surplus product into the market and money deposit in bank, and this money used for cultivation in next year. So they maintain their farming either working capital, they maintain their working capital from his own saving. Clear? I think all of you understand. Next we are going to discuss about the sale of surplus farm product. So large farmer, mainly either small farmer, they are grow the crops. So what they will do with this production? Either they eat, either they sell into the market. So think about the small farmer. They have the small piece of land, their production is very less, so they mainly use for the purpose of family consumption. Their surplus is quite low, either have no surplus. So they have the small amount of surplus, they sell into the market and earn little. But large farmer have the large, about 2 hectares of land, more land. So more land means more production, and this production they little bit use for the family's consumption, and this large amount of surplus product they sell into the market and earn the profit, and this money this deposit in his bank account and use for the different purpose. So now I telling you a story of Tejpal Singh. Tejpal Singh is a large farmer of Palanpur. See that he had more than 10 hectares of land. Just think, Tejpal Singh have more than 10 hectares of land. She produce about 350 quintals of wheat. So what he will do with this large amount of wheat? He sell this surplus wheat into the market of Raiganj and trader of Shahapur and earn more. And this money Tejpal Singh deposit in his bank account. And next year Tejpal Singh use this saving money for the farming purpose as a working capital, and also use for giving loan to the small farmer. In this way Tejpal Singh manage his working capital. But just think, not only Tejpal Singh, also few farmers are in the category of large farmer. So some farmer give the loan, some farmer directly use as a working capital, and some farmers use this saving to increase their fixed capital. How? Now this saving used to buy the tools and machinery like tractor, like harvester, thresher, and this fixed capital, that's mean tools and machinery used in his field, and that helps to earn more and increase their profit. So small farmer and large farmer, their surplus and their earning are totally different and opposite. Small farmer are face the lots of problem due to the lack of the capital and due to the small piece of land, but large farmer, they are face the profit. Their land size is large, their production is good and high, and they earn more, and they earn more and more profit. I think all of you understand both true story, Sabita story and Tejpal Singh story.